beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas day 6. In today's vlog, I will be taking you all along with me in Ross. We're going to Ross today, y'all, and we're going to see what holiday gifts they have cooking up in Ross. So come on. Let's go. All right, some slipper socks, $6.99. Okay, we got a few sock options. Not too many here, not too many. Okay, mommy and me set, $3.99. Socks for mommy, socks for the little kid. Okay, that's cute, it's cute. And they got these warm snuggle bunnies, which we saw in the last store. These are $18.99. You know you can warm these things in the microwave. Microwave, the heat pack. There's a heat pack you can microwave to make this stuff warm. All right, and down here we have like the beauty gift sets. Weight mask, some scented salt, exfoliating gloves, a sponge, a headband. That's cool. That's real cool. How much is this? $14.99. Okay. I haven't seen these type of sets. These like pedicure sets. So that's a cool. It's $10.99. Comes with all your pedicure stuff. Let's see what's down here. All right, back to the foot scrub sets, which are good. Already got the to and from. So $12.99. Let's see what's this pamper set. Comes with a robe, the slippers, a body wash, a body lotion. Ooh, and an aromatherapy candle. Okay, that's cool. By Daisy Fuentes. How much is this? $32.99. It's a little bit on the higher side. So it depends on who you're getting a gift for. Look at this set. This set comes with like 10 items. Eye patch, face mask, some face brushes. 12 Days of Beauty. That's cute. This is $25. Oh look, this is cute. Blending sponges, like a 12 sponge in a Christmas tree type box, $12.99. Ellen Tracy, some slippers, a foot scrub, foot lotion, $12.99. Then you have their regular stuff, like a little mani pedi, the toolkit. I think this is really cute. I like these colors. That's aesthetically pleasing. $6.99. Then you have a mirror and tweezers. This is good too. How much is this? This is free. Since there's no price tag on it, it's free. A detangling brush. That's always a good idea. This is $3.99. It's a good idea. They have an assortment of brushes here, paddle brushes, and more detangling brush options. So that's a good gift idea. We always need our hair detangled. This jewelry case holder is super cute. It's $15.99. It's clear at the top, and then it's mirrored, so y'all can see. I think this is really cute. And then they have a set of 2, so that's really cute. Oh my gosh, look at these cute little chairs. All right, that one's broken. But this is cute. I guess this is just like decorative. It's a jewelry case, y'all. That's so cute. Somebody broke that. People always breaking stuff. Let's see this one. Oh, this is super cute. This is a cute gift idea. $9.99, under $10. A slipper and cosmetic bag. I think that's cute. It's $12.99. Oh, look, avocado infused shower gloves. This is cool. We have robes for $14.99. Solid robe. Feels like that same like plush material. That's good. And then like a pajama set, $19.99. It's a 2-piece set. I think that's super cute. Oh look, they have Cetaphil daily face wash. In case you know anybody that likes that, they have these for $9.99. It's a 16 ounce. Makeup brushes is a good gift idea as well. This comes with an assortment of makeup brushes for $9.99. One of these face masks, serum, roller set kits. Always a great gift. $13.99. There's plenty of toys for the kids. They need to have more books out for the kids than toys, but you know, it's neither here nor there. Lots of holiday gift bags. Like so many holiday gift bags. And then, of course, holiday outfits for your pets. Holiday bakeware. Mini bakeware, $7.99. I don't really know what people do with this, but I guess it's cute to have. You know what? It was also good? If you know your family or your friends, if you really know their style, coasters is actually a great gift idea. $7.99, $5.99. Make sure you definitely, these are cute and heavy. Make sure you definitely get the gift receipt for this so that they can exchange it if they please, but they have the option to. But that's a great inexpensive gift to get someone. Picture frames. This is another good idea. This is only if you know the person's style. Don't just be, anything that you think cute, because they might not think it's cute. This is good to put on like a work desk. Nice small frame. That's really, really pretty. I like those colors. This is pretty too. Gold. Can't go wrong with gold. Really cute frames. You put a picture of yourself and then gift it to them. That's what I would do. And they do have plenty of candle options, but honestly, if you're gonna get any candles for anybody for Christmas, make sure you get them from pjlcandles.com, okay? Because we are supporting our small Black-owned businesses. Thank you. These wine goblets, 4-piece set, $4.99. These are pretty. They're $5.99 each. Look at that. All right, we got the mugs. Look at this mug and tea infuser, this gift set. I think that's really cute. Really, really cute. And it comes in under $10, just $6.99. Then they have different like designs. Let it snow. And you have some sets down here. Look at Mommy and Me mug set. That's cute. You are the light of the world. Matthew 5:14 and then Matthew 28:20. I am always with you. So that's cute. Oh, little bestie, big bestie. This marketing. Try to make you have some kids. Not over here though. Morning handsome, morning beautiful. This is more my style. Me and my future husband, future king. Y'all keep praying on him because we just don't know where he's at. Look at these. This is a super cute set of glasses. $5.99 each. This gold stem with the gold trim is really, really pretty. Of course, they have the holiday mugs too. Merry Bright, $6.99. This is cute. The whisk on the side. $5.99. Super cute. So I went over to the men's section and they had cologne sets for men. They also had like body wash sets for men, which I think is good, like body wash, lotion, your bar soap, a fragrance candle. That's a really nice set for, men who like that type of stuff. And then they also had, different types of colognes. I don't know what the popular cologne is amongst men nowadays. And then your shaving cream set. Quite frankly, Ross was a little boring. It was a little boring for me personally. If you've seen my last 2 vlogs, you saw that I was at TJ Maxx and Marshall's, right? So those stores were more exciting. They had more options, but they just, Ross was a little dry, y'all. I mean, they had some stuff, but it just didn't give as much as the other stores, okay? But nonetheless, you can get some holiday gift items from Ross. And you don't necessarily have to shop in their holiday gift item section. You can just shop in the regular sections and find some inexpensive gifts to give to people. And if you're gonna buy anything home related, make sure you know for a fact the person's style and make sure you get that gift receipt. All right, y'all. This is the conclusion to Vlogmas today. So I will see y'all tomorrow. If there are any items you did see in this Ross vlog that you thought were cute, comment below. And hey, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at SoSo Models. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Peace.